Welcome to Talent Hub Training Institute's official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to install MySQL in your PC. First open the Chrome browser and type mysql.com, then click on the link MySQL. Then go to the Downloads option. Then scroll to the bottom and click on the MySQL Community, GPL, Downloads option. Then click on the MySQL installer for Windows. Then click on the second option, that is Windows 86 to 32-bit MSI installer, click Download. Then click on the No thanks, just start my download. Then click on the downloaded file, click Run to start the installation process. Then select the custom option and click Next. Then click the MySQL server and select the MySQL server 8.0.35x64 and click on the green arrow. Then in the application option select MySQL Workbench and click on the MySQL Workbench 8.0.34x64 option. Then select the MySQL Shell 8.0 option and click on the MySQL Shell 8.0.35x64. Then click Next. Then click Next again. Then select the Yes option. Then click on the Execute button. Next. Then click Continue. Then select the MySQL folder. Then select the bin folder and copy the path from there. System environment variables and click on the environment variables. Then click on New and select the path option. Then select the new option from the top right and paste the code. Then in the command prompt, type MySQL version and it will show the version details. Thank you.